Hey guys, today I am taking you all along as I do some extreme cleaning in several spaces in my home. Many of you know that I am a stylist slash educator and an event planner, so my schedule can get a little hectic sometimes. So after a couple of events and trips, my home was in need of some detailing. So hopefully this encourages you to get up, get moving, and get cleaning in your space. For me, whether I'm doing extreme cleaning, meaning detail cleaning, or if I'm just doing some zone cleaning, meaning just straightening up, picking up pieces here and there, I like to start in my bedroom. It just kind of gives me that sense of, just getting my day started off on a good note, so to speak. So I always, regardless of whether I'm doing an extreme cleaning or not, I will start and make sure my bed is made up at all times. So that's the first space that I tackle in the morning. Actually, research has shown that if you make your bed daily, it will ensure or enhance your chances of having a very productive day. So my day is off to a very productive and successful one. One space down and umpteen more spaces to go. So let's get cracking. All nice and refreshed, and the next space up, you guys, is bathroom. When I tell you this space is overdue for some detailing, as you can see, things are just kind of everywhere. I have hair units, everything is out of place. So here I am just getting things nice and tidied up. I always start by removing items that don't belong in this space and placing them in their proper place. Putting away all of my styling tools, my curling irons and curling ones and everything. And then I begin my detailing once everything has been put away. I'm opening up my shower curtains because when I do detailing, I remove again everything and I begin to spray down my entire surround with the there was some scrubbing bubbles, but you guys, I am a Clorox girl, always have been, always will be. My mother was a Clorox girl, so I learned from her, and I just keep that system going. It works for me. So I am just again saturating my entire tub surround with the cleanser and just letting it work. I always fill my tub with just extremely hot water, as hot as my hands can stand it, because I just feel like it makes it easier to remove the debris and things from my tub. I always add a splash of Pine-Sol, and here I am removing all those items so I can begin my detailing. Again, saturating everything down with my Clorox. Hot water is a must. And I know that some of you probably will comment about me not wearing gloves, but I just never have. In my line of work, I work with my hands all day, every day in water. So I figured if the water from shampooing dozens of heads a day doesn't kill them, then cleaning my home won't either. So I don't really worry about gloves unless it's something that's extremely toxic, but I don't normally deal with a lot of toxic chemicals. These are just my go-to cleaning products are the Clorox Cleanup, Pine-Sol. And again, everything gets an extreme wipe down. If my hands touch it, I wipe it down when I do my detailing. And I'm curious to know, do you guys do a lot of detailing? And if you do, how often do you do what I call a detail cleaning? I know we all just kind of straighten up, but sometimes I feel like I need to get in and just apply cleaning products to every surface in my home. Everything that is within the space gets a wipe down, from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. I do a detailed cleaning. So how often do you guys do that? Or do you do that, or do you hire somebody to do that? But I love the satisfaction that I gain from just taking the time to just love on and clean my space. And once I'm all done detailing everything down, it just feels so gratifying. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there is like steam coming from the water. I love I love hot water. It's relaxing to me. To bathe in, to clean in, just anytime I can use hot water, I use hot water. So there I'm just rolling up my towels, and I use that beautiful crystal vase that I got from my mother-in-law as my little storage container for that. So it's one of my favorite pieces in the bathroom. Just giving everything, again, a good little detail wipe down. Now, you guys, this is my go-to tool or cleaning product, the Scotch Brite. It's actually a pot scrubber, but I found it to be amazing for cleaning my tub. It will not scratch the surface or damage it in any way, but it has like a nice scrubbing foam on one side that allows me to clean and get into the crevices of everything, especially if it's a textured surface. This tool is amazing for that. So here I am, just scrubbing away, wiping it down from ceiling to the tub. The water's nice and warm, making cleaning so easy. There, you see my Clorox wipes. I am, again, a Clorox girl. They just work for me. And here is some real time for you guys. For those that always comment in my on my videos to say that my house never gets dirty. I wanted to just give you guys the real. So last night, my love and I binge watched one of our favorite shows, and as we usually do, we end up falling asleep on the sofas. And we never like if I'm here on the sofa and he's in the bed, he'll come and get me, and vice versa. So he pulled me up about 2 o'clock in the morning, and this is just how I left it. Usually I'll try to straighten it up as soon as he wakes me up, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna add this as part of the clean with me so that I can show you guys that our home does get messy. So I'm gonna clean this up. Okay guys, so here in the kitchen I have taken a break to get a shower and get prepared to run out and run a few errands for the day, but not before getting my kitchen all nice and tidy. What I like to do is typically I would load the dishwasher at night and have it running, so in the morning I'm off to a fresh start. But again, we had a late night binge watching, so we just left it as is, and here I am just unloading the dishwasher to load it up again, and then I want to wipe everything down before leaving out, so that when I get back all I have to do is just start dinner and proceed on with my evening. Okay guys, I have gotten the kitchen all nice and tidy and I am off to start my day. Still early in the morning, right at 9 o'clock. So I got it done in record time. But I want to encourage you guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Join the TMB family. I would love to show you more cleaning, organizing, DIYs, home shopping hauls, all that great stuff. So hit that button. Have a blessed and beautiful day.